Hello guys, namaste all. So today we are seeing one of the best project that is super image resolution. By hearing this name only we can understand super image resolution means what. We're taking one low resolution image. On that we are doing TensorFlow, we are using machine learning, Python, and we are making that in high resolution. So I'll tell you what is that. So we'll search some data regarding that. See, super image resolution, I'll put like this. So we'll go in images. Here I can show you what is exactly. See, here you can see this image is low resolution. Okay, here we are doing by doing resolution or by using techniques, they have done some resolution on that. One more we can see here. See this, it is of low resolution, but by using programming and all they have done high resolution, right? Like this only we are doing one project by using machine learning and TensorFlow and Python. Okay, that we'll see now. So I'll show you how it will be. See, you can see here it is original image which is of low resolution, then we are doing that in high resolution. Okay, by using machine learning. So that how we'll do that, we'll see now. So we'll go in our programming now. Let's move to that now. So this is our program which I have written. It is in Python, and machine learning also we have used, and we have used GUI also. Okay, Python GUI. So what we need to do, I will run shift enter. It is run now. Okay, see, this is our main GUI page. I have designed like this. So what we need to do first what I will do, I will select one low resolution image. So for that purpose what I will do, I will go in browser. Okay, then I'll select one image. See, any image I can select. So I will select this butterfly image. Okay, these all are low resolution image. Okay, it is selected. Now it will show if it is selected, then we'll see that image. It is showing. See, the image is like this, which is of low resolution. Then we'll train that image. Train means we're taking one trained model. By using that model, what we're doing, if you're giving any low resolution image, that it will convert in high resolution image. So now it is training. So once the training is done, it will give like this color only. So it is in process. So let's see what will be the result, whether it will do or not. It will do, but for training it will take some time, so we'll wait for that. So it will take time. So what I will do, I will do pause, and when it will complete, I will do release. Okay, now it is trained because it is in original. So it is trained now. Now we'll see the super resolution image. Okay, yes, you can see here now. This is our original image which is converted in super resolution image. So it is one of the best application, right? We can use this in news portal also. Suppose if the images are very low resolution, if you are not able to read and all, that time you can use this and we can make that in high resolution. Here also you can see, and we'll see in home also. See, here our image will get saved. I'm thinking like you know about Anaconda and all. If you know Anaconda, then you will understand easily. See, this is our original image. Where it is, sorry. This original image is here. So you can see here original image size is 837 byte it is. Okay, I'll click on this. See, it is of very low resolution image. Now we'll go to super resolution image. See, here it is saved. It is of 23.8K, means it is resoluted. Byte image we have converted in kilobyte. So here we can see original image. See, so we'll take one more image. One we have seen now. I'll select one more image. So which one I will select? Okay, I'll take this girl only. Okay, means 2 3 if you see, you will also get a clarification. So I have taken one more. Okay, then okay, show original image. It will show that image. See, it is of low resolution, you can see. Now what we'll do, we'll train the model. Because it is training, means it is doing that, it is in process. See, you can see here it is in process. See, it is done now. Now we'll go for super resolution image. See here, original image and super resolution image. So I have given one more also, one more image also. So you can select many images and you can see, you can take more than means for all images you can do, and it will give the same result only. If you want, I'll take one more example, one more image. Okay, it will show the original image. Yes, it is of low resolution. Then what we'll do, will okay, it is done now. Now we'll go for super resolution. Okay, see, it is very clear. So I'm liking this project very much, so I hope you're also liking. So you can see here, so like this one, I can say one of the best application project it is. So we can use that in many application, in video, in photos also we can use. Suppose if you have any Aadhaar card photo, and that if anything is not visible, there also we can use. So one of the best project I can say. Suppose if you want more details regarding this project, how we have done programming and all, if you want that all the things, then please comment like you want the code and all. We'll respond to that and we'll provide the code, and we'll make one more video for that, how to do these all the things. So I'm hoping that you all are liking our videos and all. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned to this channel because we'll bring new projects. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you.